number of pins in the connector.
Number of pins in the connector? 5.
Press the button when the last digit on the timer is 3 or 8.
Got it. Oh, this thing got retarded.
This is it. You have one chance to get this.
Are you not like? I feel like you're relaying incorrect information.
Okay, Alexa, shut up.
Okay, what about the network ports?
Okay, I got the ignition button. That was on me that time. What?
What about the network ports?
This module requires a passcode.
Okay. Two 550.
Invalid passcode.
2550.
Invalid passcode. That's the passcode for.
2550.
That is not the passcode. That is the
2550.
Thank you for giving me the password for not the network port. That's for something entirely different. That's parameter presets.
I don't have a password for the network port.
Well, I've got the password for the parameter presets done, so let's go do that.
What?
Parameter presets. I have 3 inputs. Each of them is a symbol.
Yeah, we weren't doing that.
Right, because the network ports you gave me the wrong password. I need a 5-digit password, not a 4.
There's only 4 numbers.
Well, it's asking for 5.
There's only 4. The ports are 4. The passcode's 4. What do you mean you need 5?
It's 5 X's, meaning it needs 5 numbers.
For what?
Network ports.
We weren't on network ports.
You just said network. Alright, let me just.